So here we are standing at the base of Kilimanjaro National Park. We just finished day number 6 and what a journey it has been. Not only the past 6 days but also the preparation which happened right before this, because I initially came out looking to do a big 3 peaks challenge and then realized, hey, we're not going to do that right now. We're going to do a full on expedition to climb Mount Kilimanjaro, and I found Charles and his team, and then it was months of preparation of finding what we wanted to do, and we had a group of 14 people and everything led us to the point where we are today. We had amazing food which kept us fueled, we had amazing guides which went above and beyond their duties, we had great porters, summit porters, and we had a great cameraman with us the entire time. We had hot showers as well, so literally we had everything that we needed in order to summit, and we had a very good rate. 11 out of the 12 people who went to summit managed to summit, and this was only possible due to the strength and resilience of the team, of the guides. And overall, it smiles all around. Everybody is really pleased with themselves, with the team, and this has marked a turning point in many people's lives in terms of what they thought was not possible, both physically, mentally, and they pushed their limits. And this is thanks to putting themselves forward and going ahead with Tranquil, Charles, Hamisi and team, and here we are at the bottom of the base. We've summited and now we're back here.